On low heat, add salted butter 28 gram, milk 150 milliliters, granulated sugar 25 gram. Mix until sugar dissolves. All-purpose flour 133 gram. Stir continuously until the dough comes together in a ball and leave to cool for 5 minutes. Gradually add 2 eggs. Mix until each egg is fully incorporated. Transfer dough to a piping bag. Leave the dough in the piping bag for 6 minutes. Begin squeezing churro dough piece into the hot oil. Cut the dough with a kitchen shear when it reaches its desired length. Fry the churro bites until they are fully golden brown. Remove from oil and place on paper towels to drain excess oil. Combine the sugar and cinnamon. Toss it to coat thoroughly. Enjoy with caramel sauce.